Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah.
Alright guys, what a very good morning. This is our first squid. First or second cast of this squid jig. Again guys, the pink one. And we're on. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, decent one. Oi! Look at that. Nice squid. Come on, baby. There you go. Oh, that was close. Look at that. Alright guys, first squid of the morning. How good is that? Alright guys, it's getting colder now, so it means that these squids are getting bigger as well. So have a look at this squid. There. Oh, look at that guys. First squid. A decent one, not the biggest one, but it's a very good start of the morning. Let's go and cast for more. Woo. Oh. Guys, how good is this? I just casted it after that first squid. I just casted it over there. Bang, straight on. I got heavy squid as well. Oh, look at that. Come on, mate. Oh, it's a good one. Good boy. This is a good squid. Just, which one's bigger? The first one? Oh, I think this is a better one. Better than the first one. Look at that. Ooh. Alright guys, the second squid, and I think the bigger one than first one. Oh, look at that for a stonker. Wow. Look at that squid. It's getting bigger guys because it's a bit colder, so winter's coming, and now the squids are getting bigger as well. Ooh, look at that. So what I'm doing guys is I'm not trolling at the moment. I caught that 2 squid not by trolling but by casting onto the shallower water where the weeds are near those rock walls, and yeah, we'll try again and see if we can get another one. There you go. Because sometimes guys, if the lure or your squid jig is near the kayak, the squid are really hesitant on grabbing your squid jig. So like, try staying on one position and then trying to cast further into those thick weeds where the thick weeds are. Oh, see? Oh, I told you guys. Oh, this is a good one again. I just casted it guys on the weedy area, and look at that, another one. Oh, it didn't take long guys. I think I just winded like 3-4 times, and then it's a cuttlefish. It's a cuttlefish. Yeah, pretty sure it's a cuttlefish guys. Look at that. I just want to show you. Look at that cuttlefish. Oh, it's a bit round, but yeah, we will let it go. There you go, buddy. Alright guys, we will do another cast. Do that again. Later on guys, because today or this month is the month of like Australian salmon, so I got this bigger setup here, medium setup with another squid on. Another squid on. Oh, oi. Oh, come on mate. Another squid on guys. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm gonna try and have a quick troll on those rock walls and see if we can get some good fish, trevallies or Australian salmon. It would be very nice if we can get a salmon a big one on this kayak. Oh, ooh. Oh, this is a squid. Oh, big ones. Nice. Uy. Ooh. Alright guys, so just a quick one. Again, our setup for today: 10 pound of line, 3,000 off reel, Vanford HG high gear, and then 1 to 3 kilogram of rod, and a little bit of, like, I think 300 mil off their line, 20 pounds. And again, very effective guys, especially on weedy areas, dark areas of the water. Pink squid jig, size 3.5 for those bigger squids. That's it there again. There's so many squids, guys. There's so many of them. Yeah, again guys, later on we're going to troll around those rock walls. I have my deep diving lure, 100 mil, and let's see if we can get a big fish today. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Hey guys. Oh, it's a big one. Oh yes, they're all big guys. Oh, yeah boy. Oh, it's just one tentacle holding it. Oh, let's just be very careful. We need a net because it's just one tentacle holding the squid. Ooh, that's a big ball of black ink. I think this is the 4th we have now. Oh, that. What a beauty. What a beauty, guys.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
That's a good squid. Oh, look at that. Just holding the tentacle. Oi. Almost got me. Oh, look at that squid, guys. Very healthy one. Okay, that's it. And yeah, we're gonna go home and cook the squids, and it will be a very lucky lunch.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time